So today we're doing a 30-inch runner out of Sculpture Touch River Rock by Mohawk. We are doing a right-handed turn on the landing, and we're going to show you how to put that in right now. This is a row finder. This is a top cutter. So we get that top cutter in there and cut that line. Now that we got a nice straight line, we're gonna measure over 30 inches. Now we've got our 30-inch wide runner. Our first strip is cut. So we took a 7-foot piece of carpet, Mohawk Sculpture Touch River Rock, and we cut it into 5 pieces. Now, carpet comes 12 foot wide. Standard size. 7 feet is more than enough to do a traditional staircase. But if you divide 30 inches into 144, which is 12 feet, you will not get 5 true pieces. You will only get 4. This last piece is not big enough. But when you go and do a 28-inch runner, which is standard size, my favorite, you get 5 pieces of 28. That would be 28, that would be 28, that would be 28, that would be 28, and this would be 28. When you go for a 30-inch runner or bigger than 28, I've got you guys over top of this thing from a far view. Now you guys know that we're doing a 30-inch runner. Now my pile is coming this way. We're doing a 30-inch runner. We're doing a 30-inch runner, but we got to turn it 90 degrees to the other direction to go up the other stairs. Now, this carpet has a direction. We do not change the stairs to follow the direction of the landing, and we do not miter our landings. They miter them with floral patterns, but not with these kind of patterns, because you know what? If you have a seam on the stairs, it's just super problematic for pulls, wear and tear, and just the seam's gonna split open. I don't like it. You guys are gonna see how we do this today. So we're gonna do one piece, and like I said, we're not gonna follow it over on that side up the stairs with that direction. The carpet has a direction, has a pile, has a flow. It should always flow down the stairs. It should never be installed sideways on the stair. Here's a perfect example of what I'm talking about. This carpet pile comes this way. Okay, and that's the way it flows over a stair, and you can see the bend in that. Okay, if we were to quarter turn this thing and fold the carpet over the stairs like this to match the pattern, you get this. And you can see this split in here because it's the opposite way that the pile is going. When you turn this back a quarter turn and you fold it like this, you don't get that split over the stairs. All right, let's get back to this landing. All right. So we grab our trusty row finder. Got to find a nice straight line, nice straight row. Now this is a random pattern, so I don't have to be exact on it. Top cutter. It needs a blade change though, I think. We'll just double it over with the knife here. All right, now we've got our nice straight line here. All right, number one thing that we have to do is we've got our straight edge here. Now we need our straight edge at the top. Now that we have a straight edge on this side and a straight edge on this side, let's flip this over and find out where our cuts need to be. Remember, we're upside down, so things are going to be turned around a little bit. We're doing a right-handed turn, but because we're going from the back, it'll be a left-handed turn right now. We've got our straight edge here, and we've got our straight edge here. We know that we have to be over 30 inches this way. We'll mark a little bit, mark this a little bit. And we know to match our 30-inch runner going upstairs, we need to be 30 inches this way. Inches here. All right, what we're going to do, we're going to measure that and make sure and make our marks. Grab our trusty straight edge here. Now I've got the marker there for reference. I'm going to measure over, mark my 30. Now I know that's my other 30. So I'm gonna make this come over. I'm gonna make a mark at 30. I'm gonna bring my straight edge over, line those puppies up. All right, 30 and 30. And I'm gonna do the same thing this way. I've got a few bubbles here, so getting the exacts is not always the easiest, but we strive for success. All right, there's our 30. Let's check here. There's our 30. I'm just going to continue this down. When we flip this over, we've got 30 from here to there, from there to there, and we should have 30 from there to there. And we've got 30 from there to there. Yep. Okay. Now, because I haven't been to the job, I don't know how far this goes. But because I do this quite often, I'm sure I'm okay to cut it there. Because remember, we're not bringing the pattern up the stairs. We might bring it underneath and then bring the other one over the edge, but we're not going any further than that. So that's ready to sew. 30-inch runner, 90-degree turn. 30 inches on the bottom meets the straight runner. Then when we go and turn on the top, we're 30 inches there with a perfect corner, no miter. And we'll show you more on the job. That's how we cut a 90-degree left or right turn for a stair runner landing.